Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of curve measurements with the Zeiss O-INSPECT. If you've ever needed to capture the shape of a workpiece accurately, you know how crucial it is to get the right data. With Calypso on the O-INSPECT, creating a curve can be as straightforward as a few clicks. First, let's talk about how Calypso handles standard geometries. It automatically recognizes shapes like circles or cylinders, allowing you to measure with ease. From probing points, it calculates the geometry data, such as the center and diameter of a hole, which you can then compare against your technical drawings. But what if your workpiece has freeform surfaces? That's where the curve measurement comes into play. With Calypso, you can measure both 2 and 3D curves, capturing known and unknown shapes with precision. When digitizing a 2D curve, we start by creating a new curve in Calypso. Here, we need to define the unknown contour measuring strategy. Since we are using the optical camera sensor, there is no need to adjust the speed settings. Simply define the start and end point of your curve. Before hitting the execute button, make sure that your curve points point in the correct direction. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you now have a fully digitized curve. To enhance the quality of the recorded points, we can use an iterative process. This method allows us to capture the measuring points on the true contour of the workpiece very precisely. After making any necessary adjustments, such as correcting the height or z-values, we can measure the new curve again. Ideally, the difference between the nominal and actual curves should be negligible. If the deviations are still significant, we can repeat the process until we achieve the desired accuracy. One other thing we could do is to check if all the points are pointing in the right direction and are measured on the right location. If there are any outliers in our measurement, we can go ahead and delete them. So whether you're digitizing simple curves or complex freeform surfaces, the O-INSPECT with Calypso makes it easy to capture precise data with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.